Good morning to all of you. Let us start today's current affairs of 27 September. Please download the PDF, link is given in description box. First news is India-Japan 3-day naval exercise JIMEX. JIMEX is the naval exercise between India and Japan. It was 4th edition. It was conducted in North Arabian Sea in a non-contact at sea only format. JIMEX series commenced in January 2012. Next news is International Day for Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons was celebrated on 26th September. It was celebrated on 26th September. It is International Day for Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. It was declared by United Nations General Assembly and it was declared in December 2013. Treaty of Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons was signed in 1970. Next news. मध्य प्रदेश सीएम शिवराज सिंह चौहान लॉन्चेस मुख्यमंत्री किसान कल्याण योजना इन भोपाल. मुख्यमंत्री किसान कल्याण योजना भोपाल में लॉन्च की गई है मध्य प्रदेश सीएम के द्वारा. अंडर मुख्यमंत्री किसान कल्याण योजना सम्मान निधि of 4,000 rupees will be given by the state government in 2 equal installments to the beneficiary farmers of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Every farmer will now get a total of 10,000 rupees per year. 10,000 rupees per year मिलेंगे हर किसान को और इस योजना के तहत 4,000 रुपये will be given by state government in 2 equal installments. मध्य प्रदेश सीएम इज शिवराज सिंह चौहान, गवर्नर इज आनंदीबेन पटेल. Next news is singer actor S.P. Balasubraham passes away. Singer actor S.P. Balasubraham passed away following coronavirus complications. Over 5 decades, he won 6 National Film Awards for Best Male Playback Singer and 25 Nandi Awards. He won Padma Shri in 2001. 2001 में उन्हें पद्म श्री मिला था और 2011 में उन्हें पद्म भूषण मिला था. He held a Guinness World Record for singing over 40,000 songs. Next news. Bihar Assembly elections to be held in 3 phases from October 28. Chief Election Commissioner is Sunil Arora. He said that the elections will take place in 3 phases. 3 phases में बिहार में elections होंगे from 28th of next month October. The counting will take place on the 10th of November for the 243 member बिहार Assembly polls. बिहार में Assembly 243 seats की है. Candidates to have options to deposit a security amount online. Online इस बार candidates अपनी security deposit कर सकते हैं. Cable stayed bridge constructed across Durgam Cheruvu Lake in Hyderabad. It was inaugurated. जो दुर्गम चेरुवू लेक हैदराबाद में है उस पर केबल स्टेट ब्रिज को जो कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया उसका इनाग्रेशन हो चुका है. मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर होम जी किशन रेड्डी इनाग्रेटेड द न्यू केबल स्टेट ब्रिज कंस्ट्रक्टेड अक्रॉस दुर्गम चेरुवू लेक along with 4-lane elevated corridor connecting it with Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad. Telangana CM is KCR Rao, Governor is Soundararajan. Next news. Shashi Shikshak Parv Education Ministry host webinar on Academic Bank of Credit. National Education Policy 2020 has mentioned the establishment of an Academic Bank of Credit to digitally store the academic records or marks and grades earned from various educational institutes so that the grades earned in the previous years can be awarded. Minister of Education organized 2-week program Shiksha Parv. Next news is India holds webinar with Cambodian Army to boost defense cooperation. Union government held a webinar with officials of the Cambodian Army. Cambodian Army के officials के साथ webinar conduct किया है to boost defense cooperation as part of a series of webinars being organized with friendly foreign countries in order to boost Indian defense exports and achieve the defense exports target. Cambodia capital Phnom Penh and currency is riel. Next news is Assam government to provide loan to entrepreneurs to revive tourism sector. Under the Paratan Sanjeevani scheme, loan between 1 lakh and 20 lakh rupees will be extended. Under the Paratan Sanjeevani scheme, loan between 1 lakh and 20 lakh rupees will be extended to interested local youths to take up new initiatives so that the tourism sector gets a fresh lease of life. The advances will be provided for a period of 5 years. ये लोन मिलेगा जो 1 से 20 लाख के बीच में होगा, ये मिलेगा 5 ईयर्स के लिए. असम सीएम इज सर्बानंद सोनोवाल एंड गवर्नर इज जगदीश मुखी. Next news is Asian Development Bank approves $300 million loan to develop Rajasthan's town. ADB has approved $300 million loan to finance inclusive water supply and sanitation infrastructure services in secondary towns of Rajasthan to build citywide access for improved water supply service for about 5.7 lakh people. ADB headquarters is in Philippines. Rajasthan Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next news is Gurpreet Singh Sandhu and Sanju bag AIFF Player of the Year awards. India national team goalkeeper Gurpreet Singh Sandhu and women's team midfielder Sanju were awarded the AIFF All India Football Federation Men's Footballer of the Year and AIFF Women's Footballer of the Year respectively फॉर 2019-20 सीज़न. गुरप्रीत सिंह को मेल सेशन में मिला है एंड संजू को फीमेल वर्जन के लिए मिला है. फर्स्ट गोल कीपर टू विन द AIFF प्राइज वॉज सुब्रता पॉल इन 2009. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ मगावा नाम के रैट को वॉज रिसेंटली अवॉर्डेड द PDSA गोल्ड मेडल फॉर हिज लाइफ सेविंग वर्क इन कंबोडिया. मगावा द हीरो रैट इज एन अफ्रीकन जायंट. It was awarded a gold medal for his gallantry contribution in detecting landmines in Cambodia. For the first time, a rat has won a British charity's top civilian award for animal bravery. He has been detecting landmines for past 5 years. Interesting. Next news. Medical Council of India dissolved. National Medical Council is now regulatory authority. National Medical Commission in place of Medical Council of India for development and regulation of all aspects of medical education profession has been constituted. तो अब बना दिया गया है नेशनल मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया को डिसॉल्व कर दिया गया है. डॉक्टर सुरेश चंद्र शर्मा अपॉइंटेड एज प्रेसिडेंट फॉर 3 years पीरियड. और इसके प्रेसिडेंट बनाए गए हैं डॉक्टर सुरेश चंद्र शर्मा. LMC टू हैव अ चेयरमैन, 10 ex officio and 22 part-time members. Next news is Star and Disney India's Madhavan appointed as Indian Broadcasting Foundation President. Indian Broadcasting Foundation के प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट किए गए हैं माधवन. Star Disney India Managing Director K. Madhavan has now been elected as the new president of Indian Broadcasting Foundation. He is currently Star and Disney India's MD. He will succeed NP Singh of Sony Pictures. Sony Pictures के NP सिंह को वो रिप्लेस करेंगे. प्रसार भारती के CEO शशि S वेम्पाटी has been elected as the treasurer of IBF. ट्रेजरर हैं शशि S वेम्पाती जो कि प्रसार भारती के CEO हैं. IBF is a non-for-profit industry association. Next news is former Ferrari boss Stefano Domenicali appointed F1 Formula 1 CEO. The Italian Stefano Domenicali will be F1 president with Chase Carey, who led the revamping of the sport following 2017 ouster of former Supremo Bernie Ecclestone, moving to the position of non-executive chairman. Domenicali is chairman and CEO of Italian sports car Lamborghini. Thanks for watching this session. Please, if you really like this session, please hit the like button.